In this video, I will teach you how to create a digital product download marketplace website. I will share with you premium sources for creating this digital product download marketplace website. Using this premium source code, you can easily create a professional quality digital download marketplace website. Also, you get powerful admin panel to manage this website. You can manage all the features and functionalities of the website through the admin panel, because here you are getting all types of features section to manage website step by step. All the features required to run a professional digital product download marketplace website are available in this admin panel. Also, website users can request for sale of digital products. For this, a user needs to register a new account. So let's learn step by step how to create such a professional digital product download marketplace website. Now we need to purchase premium source code from Envato to create digital product download marketplace website. Check the video description because I will provide the discount link of this source code in the video description. If you buy this source code once, then you can use it on the website for lifetime. Also, you get source code update version for lifetime, and you can take developer support for any problem. We will also support you. If you have any problem installing the source code or any problem in customizing the website, then you can contact us. You will find all the information to contact us in the video description. Now we will learn how to purchase source code from Envato. For this, we need to click on the Add to Cart button. Then go to Checkout. Now we need to create an Envato account. We can easily create an account using Google, Apple and Facebook. Or we can create an account by submitting correct information here. I have already created an account on Envato, so I will account login now. We must submit the billing details. We can purchase source code using two international payment gateways. You can pay by banking card or pay by PayPal. For example, I will now pay by bank card. For this, we need to submit correct banking card information here. Then we will confirm the payment by clicking on this button. Wow, our payment is complete. Now we will go to the download section. Then we have to click on the download button. Wow! Now we can download all information of source code step by step. As you can see, I have already downloaded all the source code information. Then we need to extract the source code zip file. Now we will purchase domain hosting to publish digital product download marketplace website online. You can purchase high-quality domain hosting from Hostinger at low cost. Check the video description because I will provide the discount link of the Hostinger website in the video description. If you buy domain hosting from Hostinger, you will get many benefits. I have been using Hostinger domain hosting for my personal website for over 6 years because their domain hosting service is very high quality. Now we will learn how to purchase web hosting. You definitely get a free domain with these packages. Also, you get many more features with these packages. You get 30 days money back guarantee with every package. If you don't like your domain hosting within 30 days, you can get your dollars back. Also, you can get 24 hours technical support from Hostinger. Or you can get direct support from us. You will find all our contact information in the video description. You can purchase any package as per your choice from here without any problem. As an example, I would now purchase the business web hosting package. We must purchase this package for 12 months. Now we need to create Hostinger account. We can easily create accounts through Google. Wow, we are getting 64% discount. We have to pay a total of $59.88. We can purchase domain hosting using many international payment gateways. You can purchase domain hosting using your preferred payment gateway. We need to submit account information here to make payment. For example, we will now pay by banking card. For this, we need to submit correct card information here. Then we have to confirm the payment by clicking this button. Our payment complete. We will now click on the Start Now button. We can now choose a domain for free. You can choose any domain of your choice. I will now choose any domain of my choice absolutely free. Now we have to click on the Continue button. Then we have to go to the next step. Now we have to submit the domain address information here step by step. Then we have to click on the Finish Registration button. Now click on the Finish Setup. Now we will go to the Hosting Control panel. Wow, we have successfully purchased domain hosting from Hostinger. Now we will change the PHP version of the hosting panel. We will select PHP 8.1 version as per source code documentation. Then we will go to the file manager to upload the source code. Now we will go to public HTML folder. Then we will go to our source code folder. Now we will convert this folder into zip file. Then we will upload this zip file to the hosting panel. Our zip file is upload complete. Now we will extract this zip file. We need to choose a folder name. Now we will delete this zip file. Then we need to select all these files. Now we need to submit these files to the public HTML folder. Now we will delete this folder. Now we will learn step by step how to create database in hosting panel. Now we will add the SQL file to the database. We have successfully added the SQL file to the database. Now we need to connect this database information to the website. I teach you step by step how to add information to database with website. Now we will search by typing our domain into the browser. Wow, we have successfully installed the source code. Now our website is fully ready. So now let's log into the admin panel because we can easily access all the features and functionalities of the website by logging into the admin. Here we have to use admin login default email and password. Then we must change the default admin login and password. Now we can customize all the functionalities of the website step by step using these features sections. Also, we can customize important features on the website in the settings section. If you don't understand anything about admin panel, then definitely contact us. We will explain you step by step about admin panel and help you to customize the website. In this video, I have shared with you the best source code for creating a digital product download marketplace website. So you can easily create a digital products download marketplace website by purchasing this premium source code right now. If you have any question about this video, then comment or use WhatsApp and email to contact us directly. Thank you very much for watching this video in full. If you don't want to miss our next videos, then definitely subscribe our channel.